Welcome to the CoPOS Find Next video. Throughout CoPOS, there are many options that generate tables of items, members, and other things. These tables can be quite large, so using Find and Next can help you find what you need. Find and Next are probably familiar concepts to you, but CoPOS has enhanced their capabilities. The Find and Next options are found in the choice bars of most CoPOS options that display tables. Let's jump into option 6.5, View items in specified locations. The point is to generate a table of items, so we'll zip through the initial prompts. At the Item Selection Method box, we'll select 3, Existing Query. We'll enter a query. Refresh, no. Special Order Items, no. Show Margin, no. From the choice bar at the bottom of the screen, let's select Find. We see that B: is pre-filled. This means that the text we type after B: will be searched for in the description column. If we wanted to search the brand column, we would hit the backspace key twice and type C:. For this option, we have 5 columns, so we can use the letters A through E or the numbers 1 through 5, which correspond to the 5 columns. Let's search for banana in the description field. CoPOS is not case sensitive here, so let's enter BANANA. To show we'll get hits. From the page that we are on, the line containing the first instance of banana will highlight red. Red generally indicates that we are in Find Next mode. If we select View Detail, we can drill down for more information about this item and the line turns blue. We'll arrow over to Back and the line disappears completely. Now let's arrow over to Next, and we see that CoPOS has remembered to look for items with banana in the description column. If we look at the choice bar at the bottom of the screen, we see that we can jump to the next, jump to the previous, or jump to the first instance of banana in our list. We can also initiate a new find, view more information about the highlighted item, or go back. Let's choose Back and initiate a new find. We'll use the two-step find by pressing the F10 key and selecting Two-Step Find. The result is the same, we just don't have to worry about entering that colon. This time, we are going to look for achieved margins greater than 40. So we'll enter E in the column field, then greater than 40 in the text field. CoPOS is smart enough to know that the achieved margin field is a numeric field, so it can interpret the greater and less than signs. We can keep jumping to Next and see that CoPOS is only highlighting the lines where the achieved margin is greater than 40. Note that if a column is a date or time field, you can use the greater than and less than signs too. Greater than 2p would jump to the next time after 2 p.m. That pretty much covers Find and Next, but before we go, we'd like to show you how combining Find and Next with Sort can be quite powerful. Let's go back and sort this table of items by achieved margin, ascending order. Let's say we want to see which Amy's items have an achieved margin of over 40. We'll repeat our find to achieve margins over 40, so we don't have to page down a bunch of times. Now we'll do a find on the brand Amy's, so we'll type C:Amy's. We can keep jumping to Next, and as long as the page number in the upper right keeps going up, we can see all the Amy's products in this table for which we have an achieved margin over 40. Okay, I've rambled on long enough. Get out there and have fun finding, nexting, and if you've watched our videos on querying and sorting, have fun doing those things too.